Coach, welcome. Another important fixture midweek against Bibiani Wilson. Aside that, you recently won over in the Super Champion of Champions. How is the approach like for this game after dropping points against Adabo?
It's now incumbent on us to be able to win this game because when we've set, as I said, we've set the target of winning the league. And in the home matches, all the points, apart from Hasselhoff, will make it everybody's game. We said everybody who comes here should go without a point. So this is Asante Kotoko drawing today. So in Wednesday, there's no excuse. We have to do everything possible to win. If we want to make our impact on our objective of winning the league, we should start from now.
Coach, you are meeting a side that played in Africa. Unfortunately, they didn't progress, and they have a team very consistent team. How do you manage such situation after getting the
Well,
experience?
well, I don't look at the factor of them being eliminated by Algeria. I'm talking about Ghana League, and we are all going to play. They may count like wounded target because they were eliminated, so they will come out for to try for the next year again. So I think it won't be easy for me, but at all costs I have to win that game.
Coach, looking at the record of Kotoko and Goldstars at the Baba Stadium, it has been a near perfect record for Kotoko. We are yet to lose to them over here. How do you plan to maintain that record, getting them?
Well, if history is anything to go by, it means we have to win.
The supporters will be in numbers. Is it as a coach? Do you feel pressured? Is it difficult playing home?
No, it's not.
You feel
I
because
feel
all the
comfortable.
games you play
No,
away, the team has expressed itself.
it's one of those things. Before this game, I was told that for 2 or 3 seasons, you don't any your first matches at home is always draw.
This is the fourth season.
I had wanted to break the gene, but it's unfortunate we could not do. The chances we had, it hit the pole and then this and that. So I don't pressurize myself. My boss told me, Coach Ade, take the pressure to the body, don't take it to the heart. You understand? I know they have to talk. So let them talk. Likewise, assuming we won the game, they will be there clapping, clapping. So this is why they support Kotoko, because Kotoko is a big club. He has been winning matches and so forth. So they are used to that. But we are building the club. They will see the club very soon coming up.
It's 7 p.m. on Wednesday. What will be your message on your call to the fans?
On the floor light.
Yeah.
I never knew. Just tell you. They should come. They should come and then watch us play.
Okay, thank you, Coach.
Thank
We
you.
wish you the best for
Thank
Lord, 2 months at Kotoko. How would you describe your stay with Kotoko so far?
It has been lovely and wonderful. Yeah, I'm adopting very well. Yes, that's it. Yeah.
Um, on Sunday, we played against Lions. Unfortunately, we couldn't pick the maximum points. Next up is Bibiani Goldstars, another strong side. And much will be dependent on the midfield and how we control the game.
Yeah.
How are you guys bracing yourself for this game?
We'll reorganize ourselves very well. Then make sure we deliver on Wednesday.
Um, you've had a taste of playing them and you
Yeah.
won the trophy. How does that play into you meeting them? Or you feel that it's a different game that deserves a different approach?
They are going to double their efforts. You know, we beat them the last time at their own background, winning the Champions of Champions. So definitely, they are going to double their efforts coming here, but we can't draw and not win the next game. So we are just pleading with the fans to be a little patient with us and come and support us. We really need them this time, and we are not going to disappoint them on Wednesday.
You've played here with different teams at the Bavaria Stadium. Now, as a Kotoko player, your first time playing here.
Yeah.
How is the experience like, and how different is it as compared to you coming as an opponent?
Um, the fans always expect more. See, playing here, it's a more huge task. The weight is always on you to deliver. There's nothing like lose here. So it's not easy. It's not easy, but such a lovely fans. They are always behind us, wanting us to give them the best, and we are not going to disappoint them.
So, what will be your message to the supporters on Wednesday?
As I said, they should always be patient with us. We are still, adopting to ourselves, and we are not going to disappoint them. We are not. Yeah, we know what they are expecting from us, and we will surely deliver on Wednesday.
Thank you very much and all the best.